What is up, guys? AlexTV back in another video. Today we're going to be doing a part 3 room update on my new room and house that I'm moving into. There's a lot of stuff that has been done. This is a part 3. This is only for the people that really care because I did get a few comments of people that want to see what's going on and stuff. So make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll get started with the video right now. If you guys been following the number 1 and number 2 updates, you can see this is very different from how it was. The entire second floor is now covered in this cardboard paper, as you can see, besides these 2 rooms. So this is how the hard floor looks like in my room. It's just not covered, but this is how it looks like. And actually, I did get some furniture built. I built these all myself. These were super hard to find. These are the Malm or Mom, whatever people call them. There's many ways. These are the gray stain drawers I built all myself. These were extremely hard to find. I live next to 2 Ikeas, one in Bolingbrook, one by Schaumburg, and one kind of close to Indiana. So I had to drive 40 minutes just to get these over here. Over here, we have one of the Alex drawers, and I have the other one downstairs. I just didn't have time to build, but my desk is going to be going on here. So I got those all built within all 3 weeks ago, and this is how the flooring looks throughout the entire house. It's just been covered up by the entire cardboard paper, as you can see. My room hasn't changed much. We just have a bunch of stuff for bathrooms that are currently getting remodeled over there. All that really happened was the hard floor, carpet, and everything got removed, and we have all of these placed in. Moving on to the master bedroom, there's just a lot of machinery over here. As you can see, there's just vacuums, trash bins, and we have completely taken out this entire bathroom. As you can see, there's no more floors, there's no more sink, there's no more bathtub, and everything has been lifted up. We raised, not me, not we, but someone, this person has raised up the roof a couple more inches. As you can see, it was up to here. So we got brand new lights and everything in here. I know it's not a part of my room, but it's still more interesting to add the update in the video. But as you can see, we have the wall open, and something super cool I do with all the open and exposed walls is that I go on the side, I text in my YouTube channel, AlexTV. I draw it with a Sharpie how many subs I have at the moment of this recording. 9/23/22 is when I recorded this, and then I put the YouTube link. I've done this to 2 parts of my house, downstairs in the kitchen and one over here. So yeah, this is how it looks like so far, guys. Yeah, we just have this bathroom completely remodeled, and it's been working on it. It looks something similar to this a few days ago, and yeah, with that little roof, but we all got it raised up and stuff. So that's how it's been going, and I'll give you guys another update if I get enough comments or something. But yeah, this is how it is, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll give you more updates. This is room update number 3, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you all in another video.